Hello, ma'am or sir. This is Zain Ahmed and Nestor Jameson from 6th SEM SEMRIT. We are presenting our MATLAB project. Our project is SGPA and CGPA calculator app, which is developed using Android Studio. It is a software used to calculate the CGPA and SGPA for their respective semesters. The users have to choose which SEM they have to calculate their SGPA. Then, using their SGPA, they can calculate their CGPA and they can enter the respective marks for the respective subjects for each sem wise and course wise.
Now for the coding part of the project, as soon as you start up the program, you will see this main page, which is just a text field with two buttons. Upon clicking either the SGPA or CGPA button, you will be taken to a scheme where you have to choose the 2018 scheme, which we are currently using. From then, the user will have to choose which semester they are currently in to be able to calculate for that specific semester. This is the calculation screen where the user will have to enter the marks attained in that subject out of 100 and also the credits assigned to that subject by the university. If the user has either been absent for that subject or does not have that subject, they are encouraged to leave that field as 0, as stated in this note and hint given below. Upon entering the appropriate marks and credits for these subjects, the user will then have to click calculate, where the SGPA will be shown into this text field. Suppose the user has clicked CGPA and then they will be taken to this screen where they will again have to choose the same scheme. Here, the user will need to enter the SGPA they've scored for the respective semester. If they have either skipped a semester or not yet completed the semester, they are encouraged to leave the field as 0 so that it will not be counted, and only the fields with values given to them will be counted. Now coming to the Kotlin part of the program, this is the code for the main activity part. And upon clicking the SGPA and CGPA, this is the code we've used for the CGPA calculation. After initializing our variables and connecting them to the appropriate text fields, this is the code we've used. And then for the CGPA calculation code, again with the same thing, initializing our variables, connecting them to the proper text fields with find view by ID. This is the code that we've used. So for calculation of SGPA here, credits is also important. So as long as the marks are less than or equal to 100, then it will take the entered marks by 10 plus 1 into the credits that have been assigned. And then considering that, it will help you calculate your actual SGPA. Now coming to the working demo of the project, if the user wants to go for CGPA, they will then have to choose scheme, where they will then have to enter which semester they're currently in. They will then have to enter their marks. And then enter the credits for the subject assigned. after which they have to click calculate, and it will show their CGPA for that semester. And supposing they instead want to calculate their CGPA, they must then again choose their scheme and enter the SGPA for the semester that they have completed. After completing and of the entering of SGPA for the appropriate semester and leaving 0 for the ones they have not attempted or completed, you must then click calculate, where it will then show you the CGPA and then also the percentage. So yeah, that is the complete working of this project. Thank you.